Okay, gang, so I'm going to show you exactly what I put in here. There's going to be a lot of different things in here. So I'm going to try and fast forward this so you don't have to go through the whole thing, but you can see a very quick video of what's actually happening. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start off with the magnesium. Magnesium, put this on the side. Resveratrol, antioxidant, 1/4 teaspoon. Marine collagen. Quercetin, celery, MSM, okay. Now the last thing I'm going to put in here is going to be the vitamin C. Now you're probably thinking, dude, there's a lot of stuff in here, and the truth of the matter is there is. Now you got to start really, really slow. You have to realize, like, I've been working up to this. Now you want to start slow and add one little thing at a time. Now the vitamin C is very, very critical. I like the Seeking Health vitamin C. Why? Because it kind of covers the taste. So one of the things is you'll be drinking this, so sometimes the taste can be an issue. So what I like to do, I like to put 2 scoops of this vitamin C in there because it really covers the taste. So you can kind of figure out, like, can you taste, can you actually drink this? And if you can't, which ones can't you drink and you need to take orally? Okay, so then what I do is I'm going to add this aloe vera juice in there. Now this is really important too. You want to get one of these things right in here. So this just sits right here. Now when I make this here, I fill this up with water and this up with water. So this is for me and my wife, just not me. So you can vary the dose. There's a lot of stuff in there. Let's put this aloe vera juice in there. I only put like maybe like, I don't know, 10 ounces in there. And then this. And basically from there I fill this up with water, and then I fill this up with water, and then I basically are combining this whole solution for the 2 drinks. This is my wife, this is mine. So hope you enjoyed this. Peace out, Dr. Hugh.